Since I was a little girl, I knew exactly what I wanted and it almost felt unattainable and fairy tale-like. But you're my fairy tale come true. I am beyond blessed and I thank God every day that you are in my life. I do not know what I did to deserve such an amazing man like you. You are my best friend. I am so excited and I'm grateful to marry and spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
You are the love of my life. I'll forever be grateful that you have decided to be by my side forever. Together we will achieve everything, my love. You are the person I want to marry. You are the person I want to grow old with. You are the person I want to make a family with. I will always choose you in this life and the next. Here's to many more memories together of everlasting love.
Do you, Alexandria, take Jacob to be your husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness or health, to love and to cherish till death do you part. According to God's holy law, in the presence of God, I will make this vow.
I do.
Jacob, do you take Alexandria to be your wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness or health, to love and to cherish till death do you part. According to God's holy law, in the presence of God, you make this vow.
I do.